Hey guys, it's YoungMindDigest here back with another video, and today we're going to just be doing a quick video to talk about the winners of my giveaway for the Zaphosting server. So there was 5 servers in total being given away, 1 for 6 months, 2 for 3 months and 2 for 1 month. So I'm going to start with the 1 month winners. So the first 1 month winner is Zap483706. So that's a 1 month server for Zap483706. Then there's a Zap 1 month server for Zap478994. Then onto the 3 month servers, there's Zap477046. Then the next Zap 3 month server is Zap477979. And then congratulations to the grand prize winner, Zap476958 for the 6 month server. I hope you guys enjoy. All you need to do to access your server is just log into your Zaphosting account and it'll be there already set up for you. I hope you guys did enjoy this. If you want more giveaways in the future, be sure to subscribe and like this video so I know it's something you're interested in. But anyways, till next time, I'll see you soon.